If you want to create a high-quality, educational 2-minute video in Hindi about a mechanical engine system using Google Vids, a detailed prompt is essential. The better your prompt, the better the final video will be, especially when dealing with complex technical subjects like mechanical engineering. Our goal is a concise 2-minute educational video in Hindi that clearly explains a mechanical engine system, perfect for students. Detailed prompts help Google Vids define the visual style, ensure correct technical components are shown, and lock in the right language and tone. Let's look at the first prompt option, the comprehensive educational narrative. We suggest the title in English as How a Car Engine Works to ensure universal recognition, even if the voiceover is in Hindi. The visual style must be professional 3D medical-grade animations, showing the internal parts of a 4-stroke petrol engine for maximum clarity. The narrative must start by introducing the engine's core role, then clearly explain the 4 stages: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. End with the summary of energy conversion. Ensure the animations clearly show pistons moving, valves opening and closing, and the spark plug igniting the air-fuel mixture. The voiceover is critical. It must be in clear, formal Hindi or Shuddh Hindi, making it suitable for academic audiences like engineering students. To maximize comprehension, include on-screen labels for key components in both Hindi and English, such as piston, crankshaft, and valves. Our second option offers a more technical and focused approach, concentrating entirely on the mechanics. This prompt focuses purely on the 4-stroke internal combustion cycle, skipping the general introduction for a deep technical dive. The visuals should be a transparent engine block, specifically showing the synchronized movement of the crankshaft and the pistons. The language should be purely instructional Hindi, ensuring the use of correct technical terminology like anta dahan for internal combustion. Structure the 2-minute video into 4 distinct segments, dedicating one segment to the explanation of each of the 4 strokes of the cycle. To ensure you get the highest quality video output, here are some key tips for crafting your Google Vids prompt. Crucially, specify the language Hindi twice for both the voiceover and the on-screen script to prevent the AI from defaulting to English. Always use terms like 3D animation or cutaway view to ensure the AI generates clear, detailed mechanical visuals, which is essential for education. Finally, defining the audience, such as engineering students or school students, will help the AI select the appropriate level of technical vocabulary and the overall instructional tone.